Everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how to control app permissions in Windows 11 in a very simple way. What you need to do, just simply come over into your start icon, click on the right mouse button and then go for settings. After that, here we'll get an option called apps over here, you can see. So if you click on, and after that you will get an option called installed apps. So if you click on that, then you'll get your all installed app in your Windows computer. So now if I want to control any of apps permissions, then if I just go for this Facebook, and here you will find the option called advanced options. So if you click on that, then you'll get an option called background apps permission. So let in this app run in background. So you can see you can simply change it to always or never. It will never run into your background. Also, if you click on always, it will always running into your background. Every app you will get these options, but in some of apps you don't get this option over here. So what you need to do, you just simply understand that some of apps will only running when you turn them on, or it will always running into your background without any turned off. So for some difference, you cannot simply control their permissions, but you can simply uninstall them, or you can. So yeah, this is how you can control app permissions in Windows 11. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope to see you in other videos. Till then, goodbye.